Hey, welcome to Wildcats Garage Talk. We're outside today. We're going to do some maintenance on our marble top table. This table's been outside for a number of years. I believe it's about 8 years old now. And about every 2 to 3 years, I like to put a coat of this 511 Seal and Enhance. You can see this is made for textured marble, polished granite, quartz, slate, and it's good for anything with grout lines, etc. So it really does protect it. This stays out all year, even through the winter. I do keep it covered in the winter months, but obviously it's under a lot of heat and sunshine during the summer months. You can really tell here when you just wet your finger, look at the difference here between this being what it really should look like. So we're going to use this product. Again, I use it about every 3 years. It seems to last. I'll put a link in the description. I found the best way to apply it is one of these cheap foam applicators. Don't use a brush. You know, you might lose bristles if you use a brush. You can buy a package of these for really cheap and you just throw them away. So a little bit of this goes a long way. I'll pour some in this cup. I'll put it on. They recommend letting it set for 3 to 5 minutes, but as hot as it is out here, I won't let it go that long. But I'll brush it on and then I'll wipe it off and you'll see a big color difference immediately. Just want to take your foam applicator, dip it in it, just brush it on. You can see right away how it brings back that natural color of the stone marble. So we'll brush this on evenly, let it soak in for just a few minutes, and then we'll take a towel and wipe it off. Now we're just going to take our towel, it's been on there for about 2 or 3 minutes, and just wipe it off. You don't want it to set on there because it will start to dry and it won't soak in. It won't all soak in and the surface will start to get sticky. But you can see a huge difference. Just look at the difference. Now you can really see the natural grain of the stone versus where it was just dry and faded. So there you go, folks. Took me about 10 minutes really just to do this. You can just see a huge difference of this 511 Seal and Enhance. And you just use it again on any kind of polished granite, marble, quartz, travertine stone, limestone. Really seals it, gives it its color back, seals the grout, and should keep it and protect it through the winter months. So if you got a countertop, tabletop, tables, probably any kind of even planters or whatever that are made out of stone or marble, you could put this on. Again, just put it on, leave it for a minute or two, and then take a nice towel and wipe it off. It does recommend that you can give it another coat in 1 to 2 hours. I may do that. I'll just let it set for a little bit, but and then you really should probably give it overnight just to make sure it's not tacky anymore. It might take a day or two for it to not be tacky anymore, especially if it's a table or something you're going to be sitting down at. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this today, being out in the garage. So come on back to Wildcats Garage Talk and let's get into some projects and give me some pointers on some projects you're doing. So if you gotta give me a thumbs up, and if there's something that you'd like to see, then let me know. Take care now.